Bless you. What you thinking about? Huh? You getting comfy? Hi. Alright. Okay, that's it for now. Say bye-bye. Say I think I'm gonna close my eyes now.